as far as floors and drywall. Electrical, I would definitely add electrical rewire to this house, and some updates. It does have semi-newer windows. It's got 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, but could be converted to a 3-bedroom. This is one of the bathrooms. It has been remediated for mold, so there is no mold here. And it is not substantially damaged, so you could pull a permit on this. And this is the walk-in closet in here. This is the master bedroom with another walk-in closet here, and a full bathroom in here with a stand-up shower that needs to be updated. Concrete condition of the floors look fine. And this is the kitchen. This is a property that backs up into a water view kitchen right there. This is the bedroom that could be converted here. This is the area that could be converted. So work the magic here. This is a 1-car garage unit. It does have a huge attic area up there. It is dry and good. New roof was replaced in June 2024, so it does have a new roof. This is the backyard. Probably gonna need to be re-screened and spruced up over here. You can see it has a decent lake view. This lake is pretty big. It goes around over there. AC unit on the outside. She said, the owner said it does work. So the water for the sprinklers comes from the lake, and the pump is right here. Go back in here, we'll check out the electrical panel. Go in here. The walls, some of the walls are plaster walls, and some of them are drywall. Oh, the panel doesn't look that bad, it just needs to be rewired. Water heater is above, so it looks like it's pretty good there. And that is it. You're probably gonna need a new garage door motor, and that is it.